Hello, Anne.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, why are you late tonight, Anne? Did you forget our time?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Next time, don't be late, okay?
Okay.
Don't forget our schedule.
Okay.
Okay, so how are you tonight, Anne?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, that's good. Have you finished eating your dinner?
Yes.
What did you eat for tonight?
Eat fish.
Oh, fish, and did you eat also rice?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice because that's a healthy food. All right, so how about your school, Anne? Can you tell me a little bit about your school for today?
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, were you happy today in school or are you sad?
I'm happy.
Yes, you're happy because you were able to learn new lessons and you were able to see your classmates, right? Okay, so let's begin our lesson for tonight, Anne, okay? Are you ready?
Okay. Yes.
All right, Anne, can you read the title,
Okay.
please?
Unit 2, Spots and Stripes.
Yes, Unit 2, Spots and Stripes. Okay, this is very nice. All right, can you say the following words, Anne?
Yes.
Okay, number 1 is?
Spot.
Spot.
Okay, spot. So that is a picture of a spot. It's a small circle. Next one. Number 2
Stripe.
is?
Stripe.
Stripes. Okay, so stripes, these are a lot of lines. Okay, stripes. Okay, number 3 is?
Passenger.
Passenger.
Okay, passenger is correct. So what is a passenger, Anne? Do you know what is a passenger? Do you have any idea about it?
I don't know.
Okay, so a passenger, that is a person who rides in the car next to the driver. Okay, so that is a passenger. Next one, number 4, here. So these are pictures of passenger. Next one, number 4 is?
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Okay, so what is a newspaper? And what do you think is a newspaper?
It has many informations.
Correct. So a newspaper, that is a paper which contains information or news about today. Very good.
Okay.
Next one, number 5 is?
Beard.
Bird.
Beard.
Beard.
Okay. So a beard, that is a hair that you can see in the face of the man. Okay. Mostly it's in the mouth up to the ears. So that is a beard. All right. How about your father, Anne? Does your father have a beard?
No.
Oh, how
He
about
has-
your grandfather? Does he have a beard?
No.
Ah, no, also. So it means your dad's face and your grandfather's face is clean. Doesn't have any beard. Okay, very good. Next one, number 6, Anne.
Flag
Flag.
Flag, all right. So what country is that flag?
is Vietnam.
Yes, it's the flag of Vietnam. It's very nice. It's only a red flag with a yellow star in the center. Okay, next one is
Towel.
Towel.
okay, towel. So where do we use towel? Or use your own words. Try to explain it, okay? Now, where do we use towel?
It is to wipe our body or wash our face.
Very good. We use towel when we wipe our face or when we take a bath, okay? We use towel to wipe our wet body. Very good. Okay, so what's this picture, Anne, again?
Burn.
Beard. Okay, next one is
Towel.
towel. Oh, wait. What is the color of your towel, Anne?
Is green.
Green.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
is green your favorite color?
Yes.
Oh, that's a very nice color because my favorite color is pink.
Okay.
How about you? Green is your favorite color?
Yes.
Okay. So how about the third picture, Anne? What's this again?
It's a flag.
Flag. All right. Next one.
It's a newspaper.
Very good. So newspaper, Anne, do you read the newspaper?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one is
Passenger.
passenger. Next is
Stripes.
stripes. And last one,
Spots.
spots. Okay, very good. So now, Anne, let's have this one. Preposition of places.
Places.
All right. So, where do you think is the apple on the first picture?
In the first picture, the apple is above the box.
Very good. It's above the box. Number 2.
The apple is under the box.
Okay, it's below. Okay, it's below the box. Next one, number 3.
The apple is in the box.
Okay, in the box means it is inside. Number 4.
The apple is in front of the box.
Very good. In front of. Next one, number 5.
The apple is behind the box.
Yes, behind or at the back. Next one, number 6.
The apple is on the box.
On. Okay, it's on the box. Next one.
The apple is next to the box.
Very good. Next to the box. Next one.
The apple is under the box.
Yes, so this is under. And last one.
The apple is between the boxes.
All right, very good. And you got a perfect score. So, the apple is between two boxes. Good job. All right, so what can we see here? Okay, now, look at the picture and how many people can you see?
6, 7, 10 people.
All right, there are 10 people in the picture. Next one, where are they?
They are in the airport.
Yes, they are in or at the airport. Next one, number 3, and how many planes can you see?
I see 1.
Are you sure?
Or 2.
You look at the picture, every detail of the picture.
I just see 1.
Oh, how about, okay, so your answer is 1. But the answer is 3. Okay, there's a big plane in the window, and next one, there are 2 planes that is being played by the 2 kids. Can you see it?
Okay.
Okay. So, all right. So in this question, you got 2 points. Okay. Next one, Anne. Look and read. Write yes or no.
Okay.
Okay, example, Anne. One boy in the picture is wearing a scarf and gloves. Next one. A happy girl is sitting next to the person who's talking on the phone. Answer is yes and no. So question number 1, Anne. Can you read and answer?
The woman with 2 boys is pushing more than 3 suitcases. Yes.
Okay, wait. Answer 1 is no.
Okay.
Next one, number 2.
A large information screen is on the wall above the toy bears. Yes.
Yes. Number 3.
The man with the beard is writing something in the paper. No.
No. All right. Number 4.
The bags by the man's feet have got stars on them. Yes.
Yes. Number 5.
The time on the clock is 3:30. No.
No. Very good. Next one.
Passengers are going from the bar on the biggest plane. No.
No. Very good. Last one. Number 7.
The boy who is taking off a striped jacket is listening to the music. Yes.
All right. Yes is the answer. So you only got 1 mistake. So everything is correct. Very good. Okay, 6 points. Next one. Okay, what do we have here? Correct the incorrect sentences. Okay, so it means that you are going to correct the wrong sentences. Okay, Anne?
Okay.
So example, a happy girl is sitting next to the person who's talking on the phone. Okay, so number 1. Okay, wait. So number 1, and the woman with 2 boys is pushing more than 3 suitcases.
More than.
What will be the answer here?
More than.
More than.
Okay.
More than is
more than. We will remove more than.
Let's see. The woman with 2 boys is pushing than 3 suitcases. Okay,
more than.
Yes. The answer must be 3. You will change it into 2. Okay, so anyway, let's have number 3. Number 3 sentence. The man, can you read it? And?
The man with the beard is writing something in his newspaper.
What is the wrong word there?
Writing.
Okay, writing must be?
Reading.
Very good.
Remove something.
Yes. Okay, so number 5.
The time on the clock is 3:30. We change 3:30 into 4:15.
What is the time in the clock?
3:15.
Okay, very good. The correct answer will be 1/4. Okay, number 6.
Passengers are going from the door of the biggest plane. I don't know.
Okay, you don't have any idea here? Passengers are going through the door of the biggest plane.
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Okay, the answer must be are not. Okay, must be are not. Okay, this is quite difficult. This is quite a difficult activity. So, anyway, you still got 2 correct answers. Not bad. Okay, so next one. Let's have the next activity. It says here, look at the picture in A. Listen and color. Okay, so Anne, do you know how to color the picture here?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
3B.
Listen.
Spots and stripes. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
I like this picture. It's great.
Can you see the man who's sitting down?
Yes, I can. He's reading a newspaper.
That's right. Colour his beard brown.
Okay, I'm doing that now.
All right, so that is an example, okay? The beard of the man is color brown. Okay, now let's have the next one.
3B. Spots and stripes. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
I like this picture. It's great.
Can you see the man who's sitting down?
Yes, I can. He's reading a newspaper.
That's right. Colour his beard brown.
OK, I'm doing that now.
Can you see the man with the brown beard? Now you listen and colour and draw and write. 1.
Now find the boy who's walking with his mother.
I can see him. He's taller than his brother.
Yes, he is. Colour his gloves purple, please.
OK, I can do that.
Okay, color his gloves purple.
Okay.
Do you have a color purple there, Anne?
Yes.
Okay, can you color the gloves of the boy purple?
But what can I do?
Oh, so maybe, okay, so you don't know how to put a color on the screen?
Yes.
Okay,
I don't
wait,
know.
I will teach you. Okay, here, click annotate. Here, follow me, annotate, and then you click this one. You click draw. Okay. Okay, here. You choose the color violet. Okay, now can you color the gloves violet? There.
But what can I color it?
Here. Like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you color the next glove. Okay. Now you are correct. Okay, now teacher will change it. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, there's a lot of writings now. Okay, wait. I will erase the excess one. Okay. Maybe later on we can practice coloring, okay, Anne?
Okay.
I will teach you. Don't worry. Teacher will teach you. Okay, so next one. Let's listen one more time.
2.
Would you like to do some drawing now?
Yes, please. I like drawing.
Draw some spots on the bear. Can you see it?
The one that's on the chair?
Yes. Then colour them yellow.
That will look funny.
Okay, so now, Anne, you are going to draw spots, yellow spots, on the teddy bear, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now I will give you the control again.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Teacher will fix it first. Okay, now. Draw a yellow spot on the bear. Okay. Oh, you move the mouse.
I can move.
Cannot move? Oh. Oh,
Oh.
here. Oh, wait. Teacher will erase.
Uh,
Okay, wait a minute. Because teacher also don't know how to use this one. Okay. Wait.
what the?
Wait a minute. Okay. I will erase the excess. Okay, wait. This is quite a hard task.
Okay. Phew.
Okay, one more time. Oh, don't move first. Don't move your mouse first. Okay, now Anne. Oh, you draw now. Draw yellow spots. Oh, just move your mouse. Can you move it? Okay. Yes, it's correct. Continue it.
Oh.
It's
Like
okay.
this.
It's okay because we are still practicing. Don't worry. Uh-huh. Oh, you move the mouse so that you can color. Okay, that's good. Oh, you click the mouse. There, okay. That's correct. Oh, you move again. Okay, oh, you move. There, that's correct. Okay, that's enough. Let's go to the next color. Okay, don't move. Don't move your mouse first. Okay, so next one. Oh, wait a minute. Where is it? I cannot play it. Where is it? Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
Yeah, wait. Teacher cannot see it. Cannot play the audio file.
3B. Spots.
Who's walking with his...
Please. I like drawing.
Draw some spots on the bear. Can you see it?
The one that's on the chair?
Yes. Then colour them yellow.
That will look funny.
Okay, now let's listen to the
3.
next one.
Now, can you see the woman who's drinking coffee?
Yes. She's there. Look. Under the clock.
That's right. Can you colour her skirt?
Yes. Can I colour it green?
No. Make it blue, please.
OK, I'll do that now.
Okay, so now we are going to color
Skirt.
the skirt blue. Okay, wait. I will get a color blue pen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now. Or you go to the skirt. Move your mouse.
Where your mouse?
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Don't move. Teacher will move.
That.
Okay, wait a minute. Teacher will move, okay. Oh, here. Color it now. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Can you try coloring it?
Yes.
There, okay. Continue. Oh, that's much better than the teddy bear. Okay, very pretty. Good job. Okay.
Oh, what? What is
It's
that?
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Continue coloring. Okay. There's a little more. Okay. All right. Now, you color it much better than the spots of the teddy bear.
Okay.
Okay, very good. And next one. Okay, let's listen.
3B.
Oh, where is it?
Spots and stripe.
What else can I colour?
I know. Can you see the two children who are playing with the toy planes?
Yes. Shall I colour one of the planes?
No. Colour the flower on the girl's dress. Make it orange.
OK. This picture looks much better now.
Okay, so now we are going to color the flower orange. Okay, wait. I will look first for the color orange. Okay, here. Okay, now, Anne. Oh, wait. Teacher will move. Don't move. Don't move. Move. Okay, now, can you color it orange?
Okay.
There.
Oh.
Okay, it's okay. All right. Okay. Oh, it's okay now. Okay, now you colored the flower in the girl's t-shirt orange. Very good. Okay, now let us check.
3B.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
All right. So, the skirt must be color blue. Next one, the gloves is purple. The flower is orange. And then the teddy bear has yellow spots.
It's not a spot.
Yeah, but that doesn't look a spot. It looks like connect the dots. Do you know connect the dots? Anyway, on our next lesson, we can practice this one, okay?
Okay.
Because there are more coloring activities on our next lessons, okay, Anne? Okay, so just in time, we are finished with our lesson for tonight. Okay? So,
bye-bye.
see you again, Anne, on Saturday.
Okay, bye-bye.
Chukungon!